Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. On today's video I'm going to share with you how to make an African vegetable, specifically Kenyan in Luya land. So make sure you stick till the end, watch, comment, subscribe, and let me teach you one or two things about this. So with me is Mito and then Mrenda. Mito is hard, but Mrenda has a slimy effect. So you can also use other vegetables as a mix, like kunde. You can use it, but for me, I'm going to use the both of this today. And you'll notice with me that Mrenda is quite more than the other vegetables. So when you buying them, make sure one is more than the other one if you want the slimy effect. Now this is how Mrenda is made. I literally did this part so that you can see how you make them. Some people don't know how to make them, so that's literally how to make them. For the other veggie, this is how you make it. So don't mess around while making the vegetables. Don't end up with the sticks in the vegetables. Simply just pick the leaves alone. Okay, this is my washed vegetable. I'm just literally going to boil it, and let's see where this video takes us. So in a pot I'm going to add some little water, very little water, because again you don't want it to be so watery. So you add little water, and in it I'm going to add a tenderizer. Am I supposed to really call it a tenderizer? This one, it's called munyu. It's simply dried maize cobs and banana leaves that have been dried, then cooked till it provides the ash. That is what is soaked, and then it produces water. That is used to cook the vegetable. And this thing is so nice. I also use it to cook my matumbo because it fastens the process, and it is a natural method that you can do at home. So while that boils, let me talk to you about this. You can simply make this at home, but if you can't, you can as well buy it in the supermarket. Nowadays it is sold. It's called munyu. You'll just notice it, but you can make it at home. So yeah, our water has just boiled. Now we're going to add in our vegetables and then allow it to cook. cooked. I've transferred them to a bowl. Then I'm going to use the same sufuria or pot to fry the vegetables. So I added onions there. Then I'm going to add some tomatoes and then some maybe beef curry, and that will be it. Notice that I also added milk, but you can as well add cream. People prefer cream sometimes more than milk, but you can use either. Just use whatever you want, whatever that is available, just use that. But milk also does well, cream also does some very good job. So just add the milk and allow the vegetables to cook, just for the milk to like boil or be cooked.